In this demonstration, I will be showcasing the multi-textured perming technique to create a pop of curls that mimic a springy, unpredictable movement of natural curly hair. The multi-textured perm is a vertical wrap. Placing the curlers at an angle allows for more rods to be added. In this demo, 138, far more than traditional horizontal wrap. There are 4 sections in this wrap. Section 1, this is the entire back area, starting at the crown, down to the nape and across from ear to ear. Sections 2 and 3, these are the 2 side sections of the head, as you can see here. Section 4, the top section starts at the forehead and finishes just above the crown. It's a narrow section, about 2 inches wide. Section 1, this is where we're going to start our wrap. All sections will be small, both horizontal and vertical. Thin sections allow for more rods in your wrap. Okay, let's get started. Starting at the bottom of the curler, roll the hair slightly above the middle. Crisscross it back down and roll up slightly past the middle and finish rolling to the top with the clasp resting on the head. Alrighty, let's fast forward things. Listen for the bell. Important points will be highlighted in the video. Okay, now we are at the side section. In this demo, I've rolled the side sections away from the face using the same rod size throughout. If you want a more textured, unruly curl, you can mix it up by alternating the rod sizes and changing the curl direction. Okay, moving on to the top of the head. I'm keeping this section narrow, about 2 inches wide, running from the crown to the forehead. Carve out small amounts of hair for rolling. Alternating each row creates a natural flow of voluminous curls without a defined part. I'll keep rolling with the same size curler until we get to the very top of section 4. Okay, now we're at the top section of the wrap. This is where we will change things up. We'll be using different rod sizes and placements here. I'm using smaller white rods to create that big bouffant volume at the top. As you can see, I'm placing the curlers on a different angle. Instead of fastening the clasp against the head, the bottom of the curler is placed against the head with the clasp facing upwards. the top front section, you'll notice I'll place 4 rods in the first row. 2 roll one way and 2 roll the other. This allows for flexible parting options in the finished style, making it easy to change the part while keeping the curls seamless. Here's a close-up on rolling the top section with smaller white rods. Starting at the bottom of the curler, roll the hair up, crisscross it back down, then roll up slightly past the middle, crisscross it back down, then roll back up with the clasp facing upwards and the bottom of the curler resting on the head. Reversing the placement in the top section causes the rods to lift up, creating that big, sexy bouton volume at the top. Remember, in this technique, we are creating curls that pop out, not ringlets that spiral downwards. That's another video. Let me introduce you to my short guidebook that provides deeper insights into advanced multi-textured techniques. Plus, you'll find details not covered in the video, like proper perm solution application and timing, a critical step to achieving a flawless multi-textured perm. Available February the 1st for the low price of $9.99.